Good day everyone. Today I will talk about the heritage site and cultural preservation. Heritage sites are places that have important historical, cultural, or natural value. These places show the history, traditions, and identity of a country. So in the Philippines, example of heritage sites recognized by UNESCO include the rice terraces, the Philippine Cordilleras, the Tubata Reefs Natural Park, and the four Baroque churches of the Philippines. Cultural preservation is the practice of protecting and maintaining these heritage sites so that future generations can learn from them and appreciate their beauty and historical importance. So in this report, I will explain the importance of preserving heritage sites and discuss the cultural preservation practices used to protect them. Today, I will discuss the preservation of the historic city of Vigan in Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Vigan is recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site because it shows a unique mix of Asian and Spanish colonial architecture. To preserve this heritage site, several methods are practiced. First, ancestral houses and old buildings are carefully restored using traditional materials and designed to keep their original appearance. And second, the local government implement heritage law and ordinance that protect the historical structures from modern changes. Another preservation method is the use of traditional transportation like the kalesa, which helps maintain the historical atmosphere of the city. Lastly, the community and tourism programs work together to protect and promote Vigan's cultural heritage. Through these preservation practices, the historic city of Vigan continues to protect its history and culture for future generations. And now I will discuss the preservation of the rice terraces of the Philippine Cordillera in the Philippines. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an important cultural landscape created by the Ifugao people many centuries ago. To preserve the rice terraces, traditional farming methods are still practiced by local farmers. The stone walls and irrigation system are regularly repaired to keep the terraces strong and functional. And also the community plays an important role by maintaining the terraces and teaching the younger generation their traditional knowledge. So in addition, the government and UNESCO provide support for conservation projects and promote sustainable tourism to protect the area. Through these preservation efforts, the rice terraces of the Philippine Cordillera continue to be protected for future generations. discuss the preservation of the Baroque churches of the Philippines. This UNESCO World Heritage Site includes San Agustin Church in Manila, Santa Maria Church in Ilocos Sur, and Paway Church in Ilocos Norte, and Migao Church in Iloilo. To preserve these historic churches, restoration and structural repairs are regularly done to maintain their original architecture. The Philippine government also implement heritage protection laws to ensure that the churches are properly conserved. Regular maintenance, disaster protections measures, and the support of local communities and church organizations also play an important role in preserving this heritage site. Through these preservation efforts, the Baroque churches of the Philippines continue to protect the country's rich history, culture, and faith for future generations. And now I will discuss the preservation of Tubataha Reef Natural Park and the Sulu Sea, Philippines. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its rich marine biodiversity and beautiful coral reefs. To preserve the park, the government declared it a marine protected area where fishing and collecting marine life are strictly prohibited. Park rangers regularly patrol the area to prevent illegal activities and protect the ecosystem. In addition, coral reef conservation programs and regulate tourism help protect the marine environment. Environmental education also help raise awareness about the importance of protecting marine life. Through these preservation efforts, Tubataha Reef Natural Park continues to protect its unique marine ecosystem for future generations. In conclusion, preserving our heritage site is very important because they represent our history, culture, and identity as a nation. Heritage sites such as the historic city of Vigan, the rice terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras, and the four Baroque churches of the Philippines, and the last one, the Tubataha Reef Natural Park, show the rich tradition, creativity, and natural beauty of our country. By preserving this site, we protect the legacy of our ancestors and ensure that future generations can learn from and appreciate our cultural and natural heritage. Preservation also helps promote tourism, education, and environmental protection. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the government, local communities, and every Filipino to help protect and preserve our heritage site because in this way, we can continue to celebrate and share the unique history of culture of the Philippines with the world.